Welcome to HICCTV Security Group. Thank you for following us. And here in this video, we would like to tell you how you can set VCA for your cameras. What is VCA? VCA is a way for receiving notification, and it's another way in compared with motion. In motion, it's based on pixel change. So when any changes on a pixel happens, you will receive notification. So we suggest to use VCA for receiving a notification on your phone. And in this video, you will get exactly how you can adjust it and set it to VCA to receive a better notification. Thank you very much.
To enable VCA and more precise notifications for your camera alarms, you need to right-click, enter the main menu, and this time, click VCA. Over here, you come to Smart Configuration and click Event Select. Over here, you choose the channel that you want to do this to, and press Enable VCA. If you press this, you need to also press Behavior Analysis for it to work. If you don't, it won't work. You press Apply and hit Next. In Event Parameter, you'll be met with two options, Perimeter and Tripwire. Perimeter is highly recommended by the HICCTV Group, but once again, you can choose your own. In Detection mode, you'll be met with three options. Intrusion, which means any monitored activity in your area will send a notification directly to you. Enter, if something enters, it'll send a notification, and if leave, if something leaves the area. Over here, you can also choose your sensitivity, but it doesn't really matter much. In here, you can choose clear line and then draw your own one. You need to click for the line to begin and click to start a new line. Once you finish with your shape, you need to go back to the ending position or back where you started and double click. Once you've done with your changes, you press Apply and hit Next. In here, in arming settings, you can set schedules for when you want this perimeter to be active. When it is blue, it means it will be active, and when it is white, it means when it's not. If you want to add time where it's active, you come to the white area and add times. But if you don't want it to be active, you can click the white box and remove any section area that you like. After you're done with this, you must hit Apply. If you don't, it won't work. Then you're going to hit Linkage Settings. Once again, there's nothing you really need to change about this. The default settings are pretty good, but if you want to send a buzzer to your NRV every time, you will press this, and that's it. And if you also want to start recording, you will need to choose the exact same one as your channel name. When you're done with that, you press Apply, so your changes are saved.
Security Group HICCTV.